Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to sync audio and video in CapCut, or how to sync multiple clips in CapCut. Let's get started. First, import your video and audio into CapCut. Next, drag or drop the video onto the timeline, then place the external audio on the audio track below it. Now let's use the Auto Sync feature. Select both the video and the audio clip together. Right-click and select Sync Audio and Video. CapCut will automatically match the waveforms and align everything for you. Play it back to confirm it's synced correctly.
Hello, I'm Dan Rodney, and I've been a designer for over 20 years. I've done everything from print design to web design.
To mute the low-quality audio, extract the audio from the video and delete it. Or go to the audio panel and set the volume to infinity to silence the audio. If auto-sync doesn't match perfectly, you can also sync manually. Zoom in on the timeline using the slider so you can clearly see the waveforms. Look for a sharp sound or spike, like a clap or the first word. Drag the audio left or right until the peaks line up exactly. Once everything is synced, mute the camera audio by selecting the video clip and setting its volume to 0. This keeps only your clean external audio.
Hello, I'm Dan Rodney, and I've been a designer for over 20 years. I've done everything from print design.
Trim the beginning or end if needed, then lock the tracks so nothing shifts while editing. Turn off the linkage. And that's it. That's how you sync audio and video in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.